Welcome back to the channel. Last time, we discussed how to avoid sextortion and online blackmail on Tinder. But what if it's already happening? If you're watching this, you might be a victim or you know someone who is. Don't panic. Unfortunately, it's becoming increasingly common, but there are effective ways to stop it. Today, we'll share do-it-yourself tips, key resources, and explain why Blackmail Helpline should be your first line of defense. Understanding sextortion on Tinder. It often starts the same way. You swipe, find someone attractive, and match with a profile that seems almost too perfect. They message immediately, ask personal questions, and move the conversation to social media. Soon, they're complimenting you, saying all the right things and making you feel special. Sound familiar? This approach is designed to gain your trust and set the trap. Once they connect with you on other platforms, they gain access to your contacts, interests, and personal information. The more you share, the easier you are to target. Eventually, they move the conversation to Tinder or an encrypted app like Telegram and ask for something private or intimate. If this has happened to you, it's not your fault. These scammers are professionals. They know exactly how to manipulate emotions and make victims comply. There's no shame in being deceived. Millions of people experience this each year. Let's focus on what you can do next. What to do if you're being sextorted on Tinder. If you're a target, your first move is to document everything. Take screenshots of messages, profiles, usernames, anything that connects the scammer to the crime. Save photos and chat logs. Then report the incident to the police and provide all the evidence. You should also file a report with the FBI's Internet Crime Complaint Center and the FBI Cybercrime Unit. Don't forget to report the account directly to Tinder. They enforce strict community standards and will likely remove the offender's profile. By reporting, you not only protect yourself, but also help others avoid the same scam. Resources for sextortion victims. If you need additional help, visit StopSextortion.com by Thorn for educational materials and counseling. The Cyber Civil Rights Initiative is another trusted resource for victims of image-based abuse. You can also use takeitdown.ncmec.org, operated by the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children, to request removal of intimate images posted online. Protecting yourself from sextortionists. If you've shared your social media accounts with a blackmailer, set them to private immediately. Review your followers and remove suspicious profiles. Limit what you post and who can view it. Change your Tinder and social media passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and check active sessions to log out of unfamiliar devices. How Blackmail Helpline can help. At the Blackmail Helpline, we understand how these scams work. Our specialists use advanced digital forensics to identify and track offenders. During your initial consultation, we conduct a dark web search for your information, locate your sextortionist, and secure the deletion of your content from their accounts and devices. Once the threat is neutralized, we provide a full investigative report documenting our findings and evidence. With a 95% success rate and over 10,000 clients assisted this year alone, Blackmail Helpline is the trusted choice for fighting extortion. For immediate assistance, call 888-634-1535 or visit blackmailhelpline.com for round-the-clock support. Our rapid response team can often resolve cases within hours. Imagine the relief of finally being free from the threats. Conclusion. Thanks for watching. Remember, sextortion on Tinder is a growing problem, but with the right tools and support, you can take control and protect your privacy. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more tips, and leave a comment if there's a topic you'd like us to cover next. Stay safe and see you in the next video.
Helpful links and resources. To learn more, visit our website at blackmailhelpline.com. The link is in the description below. Feel free to leave a comment with your questions or call us directly at 888-634-1535. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you'd like us to cover more cases like this. See you in the next video.